And in this space, you have a sense of history. It became clear that this was such a common destination for people. I'm Eric Needleman. I'm the managing partner of Pouring with Heart, and we own and operate All Season Brewing in Los Angeles. Firestone laid the foundation for this building almost 90 years ago. Today, we're proud to honor that legacy, still bringing people together and supporting the community. I didn't realize the extent of the history and the community involvement that Firestone had. I talked to so many people, even to this day, who are like, I got my tires done here. Although our name is All Season, I'd say probably 8 times out of 10, oh, that's in the Firestone building. It was our responsibility and our desire as a default to keep as much as possible. Obviously the Firestone sign on the roof, it is just so iconic to this space and to this city. So this ceiling was layers and layers of paint. We did walnut shell sandblasting to get this down to what it is now, the natural look. You'll also notice the floors. These floors are original to the building in 1937. We sandblasted them, we cleaned them up. These tiles, really interesting metal tiles that we restored. This is stuff you just can't produce anymore. We had this great opportunity, but also responsibility to carry that forward and turn this into a community hub in hospitality that is really the core of what we do. A story that really encapsulates this is somehow this gentleman kind of figured out I was involved, and he pulled me aside and he said, hey, I grew up in Los Angeles. I came here with my dad when it was a tire shop, and now I'm over here with my son having a beer. I mean, Firestone is built on reliability, high quality, enduring products. With our beer making here, I think we really tapped into that, and it's been our honor to carry that legacy forward as a place that brings people together on their journey.